Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4, lines and angles. In that exercise 2, first question. The question is given in the given figure. So this is the figure, Nana. 3 lines AB, CD and EF. The line AB and CD and EF intersecting at O. Yes, they are intersected at O. Find the value of x comma y and z. What is the value of x, y and z? It is being given that x is to y is to z is equals to, that is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, so this is the given question. We are required to find the values of x, y, z. Okay, now see it's a solution. No? See from the figure, we can write vertically opposite angles are equal. Now ikkada y degrees unte here also y degrees, here z degrees means here also z degrees, and here x degrees means here also x degrees. Okay, so vertically opposite angles are equal. So then what I am writing here, 2x degrees, x degrees, that is 2x degrees plus y degrees, that is 2y degrees plus z degrees, that is 2z degrees is equals to, that is 360 degrees. Because of the sum of the all angles at a point, the sum of all angles at a point is equals to that is 360 degrees. X degrees, 2x degrees, y degrees, 2y degrees, z degrees, that is 2z degrees. I just want to take out the common, 2 ni common తీసుకున్నా, 2x degrees, 2y degrees, 2z degrees. Then 2 of, that is x degrees plus y degrees plus z degrees is equals to, that is 360 degrees. Now if I transpose it to from LHS to RHS, then we can write x degrees plus y degrees plus z degrees is equals to, that is 360 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 2 180s. So x degrees plus y degrees plus z degrees is equals to, we get what, that is 180. Now we know x plus x is to y is to z is equals to, that is 2 is to 3 is to 5. This is given. Already మనకి డేటాలో ఇచ్చింది. X is to y is to z. This is given. Z. X is to y is to z is equals to, that is 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, this is already given in data. Now we just add the sum of the terms of the ratio. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది, that is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is equals to 10. The sum of the terms of the ratio 10. Now what I am doing here, first x degrees, if we need x degrees, that is equals to x, it is corresponding for 2 by the sum of the terms of the ratio is 10 into the sum of these 3 angles is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 2 into 18, that is equals to 36 degrees. Okay, then y degrees is equals to, it is corresponding for ratio 3, corresponding ratio is 3, corresponding ratio tau. sum of the terms of the ratio is 10 into the sum of the three angles is equals to, that is 180 degrees. 0 0 cancel, 3 18s are 3 into 18, that is what now 54 degrees. And z degrees is equals to the corresponding term of the ratio is 5 by sum of the terms of the ratio 10 into 180 degrees. Now 0 0 cancel means 5 into 18, 18 5 are, that is 90 degrees. So clearly the value of x degrees is 36, the value of y degrees is 54, the value of z degrees is 90 degrees. So this is the required answer for this question. Let us go to the next main. Let us discuss next one. Find the value of x in the following figures. Second main, the question is given. Find the value of x in the following figures. In the following figures. Okay, find the value of x in the following figures. In that first question, that is given, this is the figure. Okay, 3x plus 18 degrees. Here one of the angle is given, 3x plus 18 degrees, 93 degrees. Okay students, so this is the given question. A, O, C, B. Okay, so this is the given figure. You just observe the figure now. These two are what? These two are adjacent angles. Angle A, O, B. Angle A, O, B means this angle, and angle C, O, B, this angle. These two angles are adjacent angles. Okay, the sum of two adjacent angles whose measure is 180 degrees, that is called what? A linear pair. The sum of two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degrees, that is called what? A linear pair. So from the figure we can write, from the figure, angle AOB plus angle COB, that is equals to 180 degrees, that is what? Linear pair. Yes, the sum of the measure of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, now angle AOB means, that is given 3x plus 18 degrees plus angle COB, that is 93 degrees, is equals to 180 degrees. 93 degrees plus 93 degrees is transposing to RHS side. Okay, first of all add చేద్దాం ఇక్కడ 3x degrees plus 18 plus 93. 18 plus 93 means what? That is 111 degrees. 18 degrees plus 93 degrees. ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తాను. That is 111 degrees is equals to 180. Now I am transposing 111 degrees from LHS to RHS. Now we get 3x degrees is equals to 180 degrees minus the atanipote becomes minus 111. Now 3x degrees is equals to 180 minus 111 means we get what now? That is 69 degrees. Okay na? That is what? 69 degrees. So we can write, ఇప్పుడు ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? We can write 3 is transposing to RHS side. 3x degrees means that is 3 into x degrees. So x degrees is equals to 69 degrees by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So x degrees is equals to, we get that is 23 degrees. Okay na? So if you know that 23 degrees, then what is the figure? ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన ఫిగర్లో what they given? 3x plus 18 degrees and this is 93 degrees. 3x plus 18 means 3x plus 18 degrees, that is 3 into x means 23 degrees plus 18 degrees. 3 into 23, 3 3s are 9 degrees, 3 2s are 6, 69 degrees plus 18 degrees. 69 plus 18 means what? That is what we get, 69 plus 18, that is 70, 80, 87 degrees. Okay, 87 degrees and 90 degrees. The sum of the two angles is equals to, we get 180 degrees. Okay, so this is the verification. Now in this main only, second main, in this main only, question number 4. Question number 4. The question is given like this. We are given 40 degrees. We are given 6x plus 2 degrees. A, B, C. A, B, C. This is O. Okay, students. So this is the given figure. Now we need to find the value of x. Okay. So see clearly by observing the figure. ఇక్కడ ఏ యాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందిరా? That is 90 degrees. So now angle AOC, that is what? 90 degrees. You can write from the figure angle AOC is measures what? 90 degrees. Angle AOC is measures 90 degrees. See, this is the bisector. ఇది వచ్చేసి OB, సారీ నాట్ ఏ బైసెక్టర్ అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ హాఫ్గా డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది, బట్ కానీ ఇక్కడ ఒక యాంగిల్ రే డివైడ్స్ ద పర్టికులర్ యాంగిల్ ఇంటూ 2 parts. ఓకే, నౌ దట్ ఈస్ యాంగిల్ AOB, యాంగిల్ AOB ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ COB, యాంగిల్ COB is equals to 90 degrees. The sum of two angles, ఈ 2 angles యాడ్ చేస్తే these two are equal to what? 90 degrees. Angle AOB, that is given 40 degrees, plus angle COB, that is given 6x plus 2 degrees. Okay, now this equals to 90 degrees. By adding ఇక్కడ 40 degrees, here 2 degrees, 40 degrees plus 2 degrees, that is 42 degrees, plus 6x degrees is equals to 90 degrees. 42 degrees is transposing to RHS side. We get
మబ్బులోన వానవిల్లులా మట్టిలోన నీటి జల్లులా గుండెలోన ప్రేమ ముల్లులా దాగినావుగా అందమైన.
okay, 6x degrees is equals to, that is 90 degrees minus 42 degrees. Now 6x degrees is equals to 90 minus 42 means that is 48 degrees. Now x degrees is equals to 48 degrees by 6. Okay, now ఈ 6ని RHS side transfer చేస్తే into quantity becomes division quantity. 6 1s are 6 8s are 48. So we get x degrees is equals to what? That is 8. X is equals to 8 degrees. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. X is equals to 8 degrees means what we get here? ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి 6x plus 2 degrees means that is 6 into 8 degrees plus 2 degrees. 6 8s are 48 plus 2 degrees. 48 plus 2 means what, Nana? That is 50 degrees. 50 degrees plus 40 degrees and the sum of the measure of two angles is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so this is the required answer for this question. So in the same manner you to practice the remaining questions in this way. Now the next question is given.